Bhubaneswar is turning into a high security zone as the Odisha Legislative Assembly's monsoon season is all set to begin tomorrow. In preparation, the Commissionerate Police has significantly tightened its security arrangements, especially in and around the assembly area. On Wednesday, Director General of Police YB Khurania reviewed the entire security preparedness to ensure that law and order are maintained throughout the session. A robust 3-tier security arrangements will be in place, with as many as 30 platoons of police personnel deployed at strategic locations across the capital city. The deployment also includes striking forces, special tactical units, bomb disposal squads, dog squads, and fire services teams. To ensure better coordination and rapid response to any emergency, 5 temporary police control rooms have been established near the assembly. To prevent any potential disruptions, Section 144 of the Criminal Procedure Code will be imposed in the lower PMG area, effectively banning public gatherings and protests in the vicinity.
विधानसभार फोर्थ सेशन आसंता काली आरंभ होगा जाऊँगी से त्रिस्तरीय सिक्योरिटी अरेंजमेंट करा जायछि। सबू पेरीमीटर को जगह फोर्स मुतयन कराई, गेट को जगह फोर्स मुतयन कराई, असेंबली प्रेमिसेस रे पसला पर ता भितरे अरेंजमेंट कराई, धरना प्लेस रे अरेंजमेंट करा जायछि, पर्याप्त परिमाण रे फोर्स रा व्यवस्था करा जायछि। मु आशा करे पुलिस सिक्योरिटी रे और लॉ एंड ऑर्डर मेंटेनेंस रे असुविधा हबन।